This mystery mansion in central London has suddenly become a huge point of debate in India, threatening to snowball into a full-fledged war between the Gandhis and the BJP. Leading the charge from the Congress is none other than the party president Sonia Gandhi herself.
ये भी एक षड्यंत्र है। कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत का मतलब क्या है? रोज कुछ न कुछ ये लोग बहाना बनाते हैं, गलत इल्जाम लगाते हैं। अगर कुछ ऐसी बात है तो बिना भेदभाव जांच करो, दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी।
Expectedly, sharp retorts are coming in as the BJP once again targets the Congress at its weakest link. Robert Vadra, Sonia Gandhi's son-in-law, who is in the dock for allegedly having connections to controversial arms dealer Sanjay Bhandari.
She should be reminded of the fact that what is dynasty and what is Sahenshah. In fact, in the political scenario of India, if anyone has acted as Sahenshah, it is the Gandhi family. Let's remind Sonia ji of what Indira Gandhi did to India, imposing emergency, as to how, in fact, there is a dynastic rule in Congress. As far as investigation is concerned, look, the law should take its own course.
Vadra is being probed after IT raids on Sanjay Bhandari led to alleged links between the two and cryptic references to a London mansion. But the Congress is not taking this lying down and is attempting to drag BJP's West Bengal in charge and grandson of Lal Bahadur Shastri, Siddharth Nath Singh, into the controversy. Battle lines are clearly drawn as the BJP looks to punch more holes into an already deflated Congress, which is probably staring at its nadir. But the big question is, should the BJP and its top leaders waste their time on the Congress at a time when they need to quickly build a strategy for the all-important UP Assembly elections next year? Gauri Dwivedi, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.